Any thoughts? What is this session all about? Anyone wants to share?
Team bonding during this time, especially when we cannot meet in person.
No slides, activities, please.
Yes. I know. I saw
हाँ
you. Long time you wanted to say something. Yes.
पिछले 3 हफ्ते से स्लाइड्स देख देख के मैं थोड़ा थक गया हूँ लोकेश. Pascal, no more slides.
What have you sensed? What have you felt? What have you seen?
Is like a tree which is deep rooted and provides shade and shelter, and it not only takes from the environment, but it gives much more back to the environment as well. Atmanirbhar, I would say.
I am typically a pessimistic person, right? Lokesh knows that. So my thing was that, yeah, we will achieve a normal, but for all you know, that it would be a new normal.
Thankful, like, as a team, it's some things are missing. Being in office, the fun and the connection, but we are like, that's the new normal.
So some days, I think every morning I wake up like with positivity and with lot of things in my mind that I have to do this and I have to do that. So morning, like first half, I am like this, but slowly I become like this also.
हार्ट ऑफ पायल भी बहुत ज्यादा है.
अकेले नहीं है, उस काइंड की फीलिंग को चाहती होगी.
लोग सेम फील कर रहे हैं.
हम सब साथ हैं.
उसका क्या फायदा है? हम सब साथ हैं की फीलिंग.
सबकी वाट लगी है तो ठीक है. अक्रॉस द बोर्ड सबकी हवा टाइट है तो ठीक.
Your voice being heard matters also. So there's no resentment that, oh, why didn't they take my decision? Because you're understanding, you're part of the decision making process, so you can understand what other people are thinking, and that if there is any resentment, it'll go away, because you know why your decision has not been, your input was considered but it was rejected, and there's a reason you're provided for it, so you walk away feeling, okay, I was heard.
To make something like this work, what we were able to achieve was none of us were like too tied or too tied to our own ideas and beliefs. Right, we were willing to take in others' opinion and kind of go ahead with it with a constructive thing, because everyone thought that had the end goal in mind, not my goal in mind. So the difference between my goal and end goal, right, the perspective change really helped come up at a consensus. Yeah.
Thinking too much before connecting, like, is she busy? Will he reply, or should I talk now? Maybe that's stopping us. When it is work related, we are prompt. That's it is
Agree.
Project team, we are interacting daily, but it is only work related. When it comes to like non-work talk, no, it's like very limited, and then we don't take that effort, like, okay.
And that has to do with the fourth level of listening, generative listening, which requires us to connect with our open will, that is our capacity to let go and let come.
I enjoyed the activities. I loved the activities. I played it. So I love talking to you all. And thank you, Pascal sir, for conducting this session. So I loved it.
Pascal, it's really nice to see you again. You have been missed. I enjoy our sessions, and I think that this activity we are doing is come at a very relevant time. Like, my challenge is also communication. I've been finding it very difficult working from home. Also in part because I don't speak much in general, and now my role requires me to talk all the time. So by the end of the day, I am drained.
So to be honest, I was little hesitant, with this Saturday 4-hour session thing. I spoke to Manju also. Manju, ye 4 ghanta Saturday ko, it's really difficult. I mean, after having a tough week, spending 8 to 9 hours, almost 10 hours at times per day. But then when I saw that it's going to be your session, I was like, yes, I want to do it, and I'm glad I joined it.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो मुझे ये सेशन बहुत अच्छा लगा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, और मुझे पता नहीं था कि हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसे भी सेशन होते हैं. अगर हमारी पूरी टीम होती तो और ज़्यादा मज़ा आता.
Like you know what Prachi mentioned, like okay, this session, yes, I want something similar, and if it is Pascal, then I do want to attend it, even if it is on Saturday or Sunday. So I'm glad that we are having this conversation, and it's like 4 hours. Yes, it will be virtual, but I'm all in for next 4 hours if it is in Goa with you. I knew it is going to be interactive and hands-on, and so you have fulfilled that expectation. So thanks, Pascal. Thank you very much.
This is like a good, more than training, this is a therapy session wherein we realize what we are doing, and each one of us is an enabler for others.
As far as the session is concerned, Pascal, it is always a pleasure to to sit with you, whether one-on-one or over this medium. It is such a pleasure. मतलब वो होता है ना, कुछ लोगों का vibes होता है which takes care of issues. So you are that sort of person. Any time being in the same room, whether physical or virtual, बिल्कुल अच्छा लगता है. It's fun. पता लगता है कि हाँ कुछ नया सीखने को मिलेगा, कुछ discussions होंगे. And you will also, the best part what I like is अपना interaction छोड़ो, you also make other people talk, which location I find very difficult at times. So that is, I think, that makes you an instructor above anybody I have seen.